How to verify your Badoo profile for more matches. First, open the Badoo app. Make sure you are logged in. Tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Tap on the profile picture. You will see two options. You can click selfies from the camera or you can upload photo from your gallery. Choose as you want and upload the photo. After uploading your photo, you will be verified. Once your photo is uploaded, Badoo team will review it to confirm it's really you, and verification usually takes few times. You will get a blue check mark badge on your profile. Verified profile get more visibility, higher trust and more replies. So congrats, you are officially boosted. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching and see you in the next video.